Hi, I'm Mike and I'm here to show you the fastest way to mix quick setting drywall mud, and it's with the Mud & More mix ball mixing system. It comes with everything you need. The pre-measured scoops for the powder, the water. It comes with the waterproof mixing bit that goes in any drill. All you have to do is take 3 scoops of your drywall compound, add it to the ball, add your water. You're going to mix it for about 10 seconds. Squeeze it out into your mud pan. Throw it to the side, clean it later, and it's ready. No lumps, no clumps. Saves you time, makes you money. Get yours today.